this street is so beautiful, like the architecture and like the colors are like really like it feels like I'm in a game or something. Like it looks a bit unreal, like it's different than the rest of Europe. Like I have been to France, like on the Central Asian countries, Central European countries, and like Poland, Slovakia, and everything. This is a bit different, like in a good way. So this is the Tower of Pisa. The famous thing about it is it's tilted a little bit, and a lot of people take pictures while having the angle of like this. So that's the good thing, like fun thing to try with this. And if you can see, people are even on the top, walking around. From this angle, it's not visible, but I saw people when I was walking behind like this. And there's another dome kind of building. So yeah, the street is with the one from where I came. There are many restaurants, and there's also horse carriages, and that's nice as well. Something to do here. And now I will find a way to take a picture. Hopefully, it will be a good one. So stay tuned and keep watching the vlog. After taking numerous photos with the tower, I am going for the restaurant, and on the way I saw this really cool like architectural building, which is so cool. I don't know what I should call this, but there's some information. Let's see what's this all about. So it's hard to decipher, but I don't know, it's too much. It's not in English, so it's not possible for me to understand anyways. But I like the grass around it. It makes it look really beautiful. And this is like the city wall, which is like seems like a historic wall to protect the city of Pisa. And my restaurant, which I chose, had 4.8 ratings out of 5, and it's called pasta. We love pasta, I think so. I will just find out. It's like 2 minutes away. So unfortunately this place is closed, so I will go somewhere else. So I had the pasta from other place. It was good, and I ordered a large portion. So in Italy there is Italian food, there's like courses, like there's first course and then there's a second course, but usually the first course is also like really a lot. For mostly foreigners that's good enough, but Italians, what they do is they have first course, main course, and then dessert. So it's like a 3-stage meal, and the pasta is usually in the first course. So that's what I learned here, and now I'm heading to the station. After crossing the bridge, just checked out of my hostel, and now I'm going to the train station, but I have still like 1 hour 15 minutes, like, so I will be going something to drink, like coffee first, and maybe eat something very light. And for the hostel, this hostel was very much better than the one in Milan. Milan one was very expensive, maybe because of the design week, but this one was very affordable, much more comfortable. The staff was very kind, and that's not just this hostel. I met a lot of people from hostels, and everyone was really satisfied with their hostel. So I think Florence is a good city when it comes to living in a hostel. Milan is more expensive, so maybe good hostels are expensive, but the one I got was also way expensive than this one. So now this is all from Florence. This city still has a lot of things to do, like there's so many classes, like pasta making classes and stuff, which I didn't do because it's lack of time. And also I'm on a limited like budget, so I can do everything. So now it's time to go, and thank you everyone for watching, and you will see the next vlog.